Okay, so we have to get the all possible rational zeros. So we look at the highest powered x, or whatever you use in the function, and the lowest power, which is x to the 0th power. But everyone knows that, I wish. And I'm going to assume that everyone knows it, because really everyone should know it. And to list all rational zeros, we actually have to do x. So what I mean by x and y is the possible numbers to make up these numbers are what I wrote down here. So 1 is able to make 12. 1 times 12 equals 12. 2 is able to make 12. 2 times 6 equals 12. 3 is able, because 3 times 4 is able. 4 times 3, 6, 12. They're all able to make that number 12. And this 1 is able to make 1, because 1 times 1 is 1. But no other number can make 1, unless you want to say decimals, but we don't like decimals, and we don't want to do that. So this is what I want to call x, and this is what I want to call y. Or actually, it does. Okay, I'll just call it y, but it's not really y. So x, so y over x would be the all possible rational zeros, but we should put plus minus y over x, because minus 1 can also make that. Minus 1 and minus 12 can also make that. Okay, negative. I tend to say minus because that's what I usually say. But in American English, we're supposed to say negative, but I'll just say minus because people still understand. So because the x would be at the bottom, so, and the y would be at the top, so y, because it's y over x, and x is 1 always, so not always, but for this function it is. So we just have to just simply write these. So plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, plus minus 12. Actually, I have a paper in front of me, so let me also write that, because I'm actually, never mind. Plus minus 6 and plus minus 12. And then for the next number, we can put, so for this, we have two numbers, right? We have 1 and 2, and plus minus, but I don't want to really write that, because I don't want to write plus minus every time. I'll just say 1 and 2, and then when we have to find the rational zeros, we can just simply write the plus minus signs when we need them. So 1 and 3, that's 1 and 3. Oh. Okay. 3 is 1 and 3. So what we can get, same x, y over x. This is not really y and x, but I just want to call it because it's easy. Or actually, I should have called it a and b, but who cares? So when we're going to go with 1, let's first go with 1 because it's easier. So 1 over y, 1 over 1, 1 over 1, 1 over 1, and 1 over 3. 1 over 3. So that's plus minus 1. Oh no, plus minus 3 And then now there's 2, so plus minus 1 over 2 plus minus 3 over 2. Let me also write that. Plus minus 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 2 over 1 plus minus 2 over 3. Isn't it right? It is right. Okay. I'll just solve these 4 and then I'll stop the video, upload another video, and then I'll upload a video for this, and then for this, and then for this, and then for this. So yeah. Okay. So the next one would be 36. Okay, 36 has a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 6, 9, 9, 12, 18, and then 36. Okay, but that's really dirty and nasty. Okay. It just doesn't look good. And then 1, you just have 1. So this time, also, we won't have too much of a number. Actually, we do, because we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to write like 9 times, but it's not too bad because we only have one y, well, so-called y, and that will be x. So what was it? X over y, was it? Okay, I forgot. Yeah, x over y. No, y over x. So actually, I don't. So what we have to do is plus minus 1. That's 1. Plus minus 1. Plus minus 1 over 2. Wait, am I right? Yeah. Y over x. Y over x. That, and that, and that, and what? That, and that, and that, and that. Actually, I don't know if you can see it, but well, you know what I mean, because they're all numbers, and well, you just have to put the plus minus sign. Just don't forget that. Okay, actually, I have to write that down. Oh, why did I delete that then? Okay. What I want is the list of numbers. So plus minus 1, plus minus 1 over 2, 1 over 2, plus minus 1 over 3, plus minus 1 over 4, plus minus 1 over 6, plus minus 1 over 9, plus minus 1 over 12, plus minus 1 over 18, and plus minus 1 over 36. Well, honestly, if someone tells me to solve for the zeros, I'll just solve it. Okay? And then, for this one, that's a 1. So, 1 there. And for the 8, we have 1, 2, 4, 8. So, that's the x. That's the y. Y over x, is it? Yeah, it is y over x. I keep forgetting because it's not really y over x. So, x is 1. That makes it very easy. Plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 8. Okay? So, thank you for watching the video. I hope this helped. And I'll come back with a video to solve the bottom problem. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Thank you.